If you really want to experience the power of freedom, the power of your mind, the power of everything within you, it only comes out through a discipline and nothing complicated about it. A space for everything, a time for everything. And it's not difficult to practice. One aspect at a time. And you're also bringing in this transformation into you, saying that how I brush my teeth this morning is not going to depend on my mood. It's going to depend on that's the right thing to do. That I'm going to have a performance review, not based on whether I'm free, whether I'm available, whether I have the mood, whether we have had a good month or we have had a bad month. Without review, you cannot develop accountable performance culture in an organization. Any organization, any individual that feels, I'm not answerable to anybody, nobody is going to question me. For many of you entrepreneurs, that's your challenge. You're not answerable to anybody except cash flow crisis. Everything is up to your moods because you don't have a board to answer to. So a lot of you underperform and it's okay with you. The moment we bring in a sense of accountability, I'm answerable to somebody. I was telling somebody some time back, even if you cannot set any other goal because you're starting something new, at least you need date goals. By this date I will achieve this. By this date I will. If life has not yet thrown you in a situation where you're accountable to someone, at least create a system by which you're accountable to yourself. And one of the ways you can create accountability to yourself is to set date goals. By this date I will achieve this. As an individual, as an organization, in dropping a quality, in picking up a quality or a fitness goal. By this date I will achieve this. The way accountability and answerability brings the best out of you, nothing can get the best out of you. There must be an element of accountability.